Good evening. I'm Stathis Delis, and today you're attending a seminar organized as part of the Tech-Infused Dance program, co-founded by the European Union, which focuses on digital innovations in dance. A VR dancer, virtual reality dancer. What is a VR dancer? A VR dancer is a dancer that performs inside a virtual world. This can happen in three ways. Avatars controlled by real dancers, digitally created dancers, AI or 3D animation, and hybrid performers, real stage plus VR experience. VR dance mixes movement technology and imaginations, creating performances that go beyond normal physical limits. Real dancers as avatars. A dancer wears motion capture sensor, special suits or trackers. Every movement of the real dancer is captured and copied instantly by a digital avatar. The audience sees the avatar dancing inside the VR world. Example: Ballet Pixelle in Second Life or dance shows in VRChat. It's still a real dancer, but shown as a digital character. Digitally created dancers, AI or 3D. These dancers don't exist in the real world. They are made with computer graphics, AI tools, or animation software. They can move in ways that humans cannot, floating in the air, changing shapes, dancing in impossible environments. Example: Lily Theon, an AI-powered dancer that performs in virtual shows. They show how technology can create new art forms. Hybrid performers. Real dancers perform on a physical stage. The audience wears VR headsets. What they see is a mix of the real dancer, virtual backgrounds and landscapes, interactive digital effects. This creates a show where the real and digital worlds come together. Hybrid VR dance makes performances more immersive and engaging. Key takeaway: what is a VR dancer? A VR dancer can be a real dancer shown as a digital avatar in a VR world. A digital dancer created by AI or animation. A hybrid performer mixing real dance with VR effects. In short, VR dance expands the stage from physical space to virtual space, creating new ways to perform and experience art. You can see a visual explanation here, where VR dance is in the middle, and we have hybrid performance, mix of real and virtual, avatars, which is a real dancer becoming an avatar, and AI 3D digital dancers, where it's a completely computer-made dancer. Hybrid performers, it's real dancers plus VR headsets, mix of real performance and virtual effects. Avatars are real dancers where motion capture suits their movements control a digital avatar. AI, 3D digital dancers. Created with AI or animation software, they can do movements humans cannot. Digital choreography and composition techniques. Learning goals. Understand what digital choreography means. Try simple software tools, visuals, and sound. Learn easy ways to add digital elements to a dance piece. Discover interactive performance ideas. Explore online collaboration in choreography. Digital choreography is dance and technology working together. What is digital choreography? The definition is using digital tools, software, apps, visuals, sound to design, record, share, or expand dance. Key characteristics: combines movement with sound, video, and visuals, creates effects beyond the stage, helps document and share choreography, enables collaboration across distance. First example: William Forsyth's synchronous objects dance into interactive maps. What is a choreography map? The definition is choreography map is a diagram that shows the structure of a dance. Central idea, which is the theme, rhythm, motif. Dancers represented as circles, connections, arrows, who follows, who cues, who reacts. It makes the invisible structure of the dance visible. Why it matters. Helps beginners understand choreography beyond steps, shows timing, leadership, and group relationships, forms the base for digital interactive maps. What is an interactive map? Definition: an interactive map is a digital version of a choreography map that you can click, explore, or manipulate online. How it works. You can click on a dancer and see their pathways. Timing relationships appear as animations. Layers show music, visuals, and formations. Example: William Forsyth's synchronous objects. Interactive maps that transform dance into digital diagrams. William Forsyth's objects turns choreography into digital maps that can be explored interactively, shows relationships, timing, and structure beyond the stage. Second example, Chunky Moves Mortal Engine. Definition: an immersive performance where technology responds in real time to dancers' movements. How it works. Projections and sound change live as dancers move. The stage becomes a moving digital environment. Dancers and visuals interact together. Why it's important. Shows the power of interactive choreography. Expands creative possibilities beyond the traditional stage. Key takeaway. Choreography map is a static diagram of structure. Interactive map. Digital, dynamic, clickable version. Digital choreography combines dance and technology for creativity, sharing, and audience engagement. Technology does not replace dance, it extends creativity. Why use digital tools in choreography? Definition. Digital tools help choreographers expand creativity beyond the studio. Benefits. Support choreography. Record, organize, and structure ideas. Enhance performance. Visuals, sounds, projections interact with dancer. Reach new audiences. Share work online beyond the studio. Collaborate remotely. Create together across distances. Types of digital tools. Documentation and planning. Record and edit movement. Video editors, iMovie, DaVinci Resolve. Cut, slow down, add music. Motion bank, Peacemaker. Annotate dance videos. Laban writer. Write dance like sheet music. 2. Interactive visuals and sound. Link movement with effects. Isadora. Easy entry. Colors, visuals react to arms, steps. Touch designer. Visuals that pulse with sound. Resolume. Project images on stage. 3. Movement tracking and motion capture. Body data. Media pipe. Free webcam. Tracks body parts. Rococo suit. Records 3D animated dancers. Collaboration and sharing. Connect and create remotely. Google Drive or Zoom are the easiest starting point. Frame VR is for rehearse, perform in 3D spaces. Choose one tool that matches your goal. Video editing, visuals, tracking, or collaboration. Why add digital elements to dance? Definition. Digital elements are sound, visuals, or lights, projections that work with the dancers. Why use them? Enhance storytelling. Example, storm scene with thunder and flashing light. Create atmosphere. Colors, shadows change the mood. Engage the audience. Interactive effects involve them in the show. Expand possibilities. Show things bodies alone cannot. Think of digital tools as a second stage partner that dances with you. Why add digital elements to dance? Example. This image on the right brings a dancer into a dramatic, storm-like projection with lighting behind them. Use it to illustrate. Enhance storytelling. For example, a storm scene with thunder and flashing visuals. It visually conveys how digital elements can deepen emotion and scene setting. Audience interaction techniques. A concept audience holding up their phones with flashlights on. A clear and powerful symbol of audience participation. This image perfectly captures the idea of the audience actively contributing to the performance, such as shining lights at key dance moments. Spectators become part of the dance by voting with phones. Audiences choose music or effects Dancers adapt live. Clapping or cheering, where audience's sound influences lights or projections. Using phone lights. Audience's own light becomes a visual element in the performance. Interactive effects make the audience part of the performance. Techniques for beginners. Adding sound. Pre-recorded soundtrack. Music sound effects from QLab, iTunes, phone. Layered soundscapes. Mix effects and music. Audacity, GarageBand. Interactive sound. Dancer movement triggers sound. Isadora, Max MSP. Adding visuals. Projection mapping. Project rivers, colors, patterns. Resolume, Isadora. Digital backgrounds. Slides, videos as a backdrop. PowerPoint, a projector. Interactive visuals. Visuals react to movement. Touch Designer, MediaByte. Combining both. Music-driven visuals. Graphics follow beat. Movement triggers light and sound. Storytelling layers. Sound and visuals and dancers tell one story. Start simple. Use music and a projected background. Add interactivity step by step. Thank you very much.